Welcome to an unboxing where I have two variants of pretty much the same thing. I also still have my microphone on, but that's from shooting NCIX Tech Tips over there. The microphone is on the camera. Not really related to anything. This is Antec's accent lighting USB powered 6 LED strip thing. So you can see they got a couple examples for how they might expect you to use it and a couple more examples. I'm going to read the back because that is apparently what I do on this show. Show off your PC in a new light with the Antec Advanced Accent Lighting USB powered 6 LED strip. Easy to install and turn on. Simply attach the LED strip on the electronic device you desire. Insert the USB plug into an open USB port or powered USB hub, and then turn it on with its convenient on-off switch. Imagine turning on your computer and suddenly a glow emanates from within your case. Or having your entire desk illuminate the moment your keyboard activates. If you think your component's desk or even monitor need a healthy glow, pick up the Antec Advanced Lighting Red USB powered 6 LED strip today. Now, I sort of exaggerated and I made fun of that a little bit, and rightfully so. However, it is pretty cool. So let's check this out. We've got the red version as well as the blue version here today. And I'm going to show you guys a couple of examples of what we can do with a product like this that will look pretty sweet. So one thing to note is that you don't actually have to use the strip in its entire length. There are cutting marks on here. So you can see there, you can cut it off at either 2, 4, or the entire 6, depending on how you want to place it, although you'll have to re-kajigger the connectors if you want to cut them. You'll have to resolder on power connectors, as you can see here. Not there, somewhere else. You'll have to figure it out on your own because I'm not doing that guide. Let's plug one of these in and let's see how it goes here. So I'm going to leave the switch powered off, so there's the convenient on-off switch, just so that we have the drama of turning it on all at once. So you can plug it into a USB port on your motherboard. You know what, actually, this is a terrible example. Let me just think if there's somewhere else that I can... You know what, give me a sec here, guys. So let's start with keyboard lighting effects. Here we've got a Corsair K90, and we're going to go ahead and add some underglow. How beastly does that look? Yeah, pretty good, pretty good. So remember guys, you can plug it into the USB port on a keyboard or other peripheral. Actually here, let's go ahead and try it on a monitor. Oh, hold on, it probably has to be powered on. Yeah. So here, check this out, check this out. Come over from the other side. So you can set it up on like the bottom of your monitor and illuminate your desk under the monitor. I apologize for us not really having like a proper place, like a proper system or anything to set this up on. That's about what it looks like. That looks really good. Okay, now let's go ahead and remember that'll only power on when your monitor is actually receiving an input signal, which is pretty neat. You can even use it to pimp your test bench, so you can plug it anywhere where there's USB power, which makes things very flexible. So you could throw it onto one of your USBs here, and then you could stick it to the bottom of your test bench, and it would like illuminate all of your testing equipment, which would make you feel pretty cool. There we go. Let's just fix that up. There you go. So now my power supply and my SSD and my pink anti-slip mat that I put on top of my optical drive can all bask in the red glow of the Antec accent strip. These are actually really cool. It's just, I mean, these LED strips have existed already. It's not like this is anything new. But all Antec's done is put just a nice clean black cable, an on-off switch, and once again, clean heat-shrink cabling here, then some adhesive on it, and you can use it to accent pretty much whatever you want. It's a nice long cable, so the whole thing's almost 6 feet long. See, like that. Thank you for checking out my unboxing of the Antec Advanced Accent Lighting, available in at least red and blue, and I'm not sure if there are other colors as well. Don't forget to subscribe to Linus Tech Tips for unboxings, reviews, and other computer videos. Now remember guys, I said anything with USB power, so if you happen to have one of these handy little doodads, all you gotta do is put them in your pocket, and you are ready to LED accessorize yourself for your upcoming, you know, I don't know, party where they wear like hats like this. That was it. We're done.
hit myself.